Hello there. Do you want to make a career in accounting? Do you want to practice accounting in Uganda? If your answer is yes, I hereby invite you for our Certified Public Accountants of Uganda course. The Certified Public Accountants qualification is a designation given by the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Uganda to individuals that complete the CPA professional course. CPAs act as financial advisors, tax consultants, auditors, business consultants, public accountants, and can take up any position related to finance at a company. Once you are a CPA, the opportunities are endless. Enroll for our online training and join other top-performing students in Uganda. Harvest Training and Consultancy Limited is an approved and recognized tuition provider for the CPA course in Uganda. Visit us at Calmax Building, Office Suite D13. Plot 48 Bombo Road. We can also be reached by email or mobile numbers displayed on your screens right now.